Large technology projects are complex. One wrong move can cost your business time, money, and momentum. Syscare IT Solutions delivers end-to-end IT project management and implementation, so your team can focus on what matters. From infrastructure deployment to server installations, we build the foundation your business runs on. We upgrade your networks to handle today's demands, fast, secure, and built to scale. Moving to the cloud? Our experts handle every step of your migration, seamlessly and securely. We implement cybersecurity solutions that protect your systems, your data, and your reputation. And when it's time to transform, we lead your digital initiatives from planning to go live. Every project is a commitment to your timeline, your budget, and your vision. Syscare IT Solutions is your trusted partner. Contact us today and let's get started.